Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread for shawarma. First, you will need all-purpose flour, warm water, yeast, sugar, salt, and a touch of olive oil. This easy method ensures a soft, flavorful flatbread that perfectly complements your homemade shawarma. We'll guide you through each step, from mixing to cooking, ensuring a successful bake every time. Get ready to impress your taste buds with fresh, homemade bread. Now, let's get our dough started. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it gets foamy. In a separate large bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour the yeast mixture and 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the flour, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Once your dough has risen, divide it into 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a thin, round flatbread, about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Cook each flatbread in a hot, dry skillet over medium-high heat for 1 to 2 minutes per side, until golden brown and puffed. Now, before you enjoy your delicious shawarma bread, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Quick recommendation: for all your recipe reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for following along in the kitchen without getting your screen messy. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Next, turn the shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it for approximately 8 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Form the dough into a neat ball, then place it into a lightly oiled bowl, turning once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel. Let the dough rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.